In this video, I will show you how to connect your Panasonic TV to Wi-Fi without the remote control. Now, it doesn't matter the type or model of Panasonic TV you have, whether you have the Panasonic Android, Panasonic Google TV, or even the older models of Panasonic TV just like this one. I'm going to be taking you through 3 solutions, and either one of them is definitely going to work out for you. Now, for the first and easiest method, which actually works on any Panasonic TV you have, whether it's the Android, Panasonic Google TV, or the older model of Panasonic TV just like this one, you basically just want to go ahead and change your current Wi-Fi name and password to the exact Wi-Fi name and password that your Panasonic TV has connected to previously. Now, this trick is actually very simple, and what it does is that it makes your Panasonic TV to automatically connect to your Wi-Fi network, thinking that it is the previous Wi-Fi network that it has connected to before. I'm going to practically show you how this is done. So take for instance, if I actually want my Panasonic TV over here to connect to my phone's hotspot or my Wi-Fi, basically I will just go ahead and change my Wi-Fi or hotspot name and password to the previous Wi-Fi name and password that this TV has connected to before. So you want to basically go over to the settings of your phone if you're connecting to your phone's hotspot, or to your Wi-Fi settings if you're connecting to your Wi-Fi, and then just locate the hotspot settings. Now, under the set portable hotspot, you want to come over here and then go ahead and change the SSID option, which is basically your hotspot name, and then also change the password over here to the previous Wi-Fi name and password that this TV has connected to. So I'll just go ahead and change mine, and I have just finished changing the Wi-Fi name and password to my previous Wi-Fi name and password. Once you're done, you just want to go ahead and click on the done button over here, then also make sure you turn on your hotspot or your Wi-Fi as the case may be. Now, at this point, what you just want to do is to sit down and relax, and then just wait for about 2 to 5 minutes, and trust me, your Panasonic Android, Panasonic Google TV, or even your older model of Panasonic TV will automatically connect to this your new Wi-Fi, thinking that it is actually the Wi-Fi or hotspot that it has connected to before. It works 99% of the time, but if after waiting for about 2 to 5 minutes your TV still does not connect to your Wi-Fi automatically, what you just want to do is to go ahead and turn off the TV and then just turn it on again, and trust me, that will actually prompt the TV to research for Wi-Fi networks and then automatically connect to your Wi-Fi network, thinking that it is actually the previous one it has connected to before. Now, for the second method, you want to try to connect your Panasonic TV to Wi-Fi using a keyboard. In this case, I am using a Panasonic Google TV over here, particularly because this particular method works most of the time with Panasonic Googles and Panasonic Android TVs. It might actually work in some older models of Panasonic TV as well. Basically, what you want to do is to go ahead and get a wired keyboard or a keyboard with a USB dongle just like this one. Proceed to connect the wired keyboard to any of the USB ports on your TV, or if you're using a keyboard with a USB dongle, just go ahead and connect the USB dongle to any of the USB ports on your Panasonic TV. Now, once it is connected, you don't have to do anything. Basically, you can now control and navigate to the Wi-Fi settings, and then even connect your Panasonic TV to Wi-Fi using these navigation buttons at the end of the right hand side of your keyboard. Basically, you just want to press on the buttons, and you can literally see that I can now navigate through my Panasonic TV using these keyboards over here. I can get to the settings and then even scroll over to the Wi-Fi settings over here, click on the enter button to select, and then I can now proceed to connect my Panasonic TV to Wi-Fi using these particular buttons. You can literally see my Wi-Fi network, so I'll just scroll over here. Once I select it, I can now enter and then click on the enter button to connect to my Wi-Fi without any issue. But if this method does still not work out for you, my final solution to still be able to connect your Panasonic TV to Wi-Fi without the remote control is to simply just go ahead and get a wired Wi-Fi network or a wired router. Now, with a wired router or a wired Wi-Fi network, you don't have to do anything. Just connect the LAN cable to the LAN port on your Panasonic TV and you're good to go. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.